Hello class, this is an introduction video that I'm making after I made all the Google Sites videos. What we did is I just wanted to talk about each video individually. Google Sites number 1, the first video I made was just how to create a Google site. The second video I created was how to organize a main page with a site page, going to that and editing it and making it how you like it individually. For example, on mine, I'll go to it real quick. I like this sidebar horizontal, but yeah, you just go to sitemap, and you can do whatever you want from there. Edit up here, etc. The third video I created was about how to create pages and subpages so you can really stay organized and the students will like it. The fourth video I created was how to insert docs and pictures into your Google site. And the last video I created was about sharing and permissions, who you wanted to have or make that available for, or who you didn't want to let edit or just view, or etc. So hopefully you enjoyed these 5 videos, and hopefully they helped you guys as you guys prepared yours, or let me know if I did something wrong, because I could definitely use a feedback since this was my first time using this site. Like I said, hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you for listening and watching.